big news as far as RBI raising concern over New India Co-op Bank is concerned. Let's tell you, account holders in a state of flux. What we're given to understand is that the RBI has written to Mumbai Top Corp over the same. Provide security at all New India Co-op Bank branches. Long queues outside New India cooperative banks, and customers claim they cannot access accounts. So significant development. Let's also put that into perspective for you. Panic grips clearly the New India Co-op Bank account holders. You're looking at visuals as to what is playing out, and that's exactly what has been raised right now with the aspect that RBI has written to Mumbai Top Corp as well. This is after RBI imposed restrictions on withdrawal. Taking that across to my colleague Richa Kanolkar, joining me this afternoon. Richa, very good afternoon. A big claim here also with the fact that these visuals are playing out on our screens. I'm given to understand you're reporting from there as well. Talk to us about the latest, and also if you could get in a few voices.
Well, of course, since morning we have seen that multiple branches of the New India Cooperative Bank were crowded. People were furious to know whether they'll get back their money that they have deposited, and they have received this information just a day before the bank has stopped any transaction, any withdrawal to the customers. We'll try and speak with some of the customers here. क्या बताएंगे आपने इस बैंक में कितने पैसे रखे और क्या?
1 लाख से ज्यादा नहीं है हम लोग का, लेकिन हम लोग बजट करके इतना पैसा रखता है, तो तुम लोग ऐसा दिखाएगा तो हम लोग किधर जा सकता है? तुम लोग का नहीं उंगली ऐसा हाथ पकड़ा है तो हम लोग किधर जाएगा? हम लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा जमा करके इधर रखता है, तो तुम लोग ही नहीं देगा तो हम लोग किसके ऊपर विश्वास रखेगा? किसके साथ विश्वास रख सकता है? हाँ?
क्या बताएंगे आप? आपकी क्या तकलीफ है? आप अभी बैंक
तकलीफ ये है, हमने चाराना बना के इधर रखे ला कि हमारे लड़की लोग के लिए, शादी के लिए, बच्चे लोग के क्या बोलते हो मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा, उसके लिए रखे ला। अभी ये लोग ने आरबीआई का क्या नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं, उसकी वजह से हम लोग को तकलीफ है। हमारा पेमेंट कैसे मिलेगा? हम लोग इनके ऊपर विश्वास करके हम लोग का 1-1 रुपया जमा करके इधर रखे ला है। हमको कौन देगा पैसा? हम किधर जाए लड़ने के लिए? हम तो इनके पास आएंगे ना। अभी बोल रहे हैं इन लोग कि आरबीआई ने इनके ऊपर रोक बिठाया है कि बैंक चालू नहीं करने का, बराबर है, लेकिन हम लोग जो लॉकर का पैसा आप तुम लोग हमारे से काटते हो, बैंक में रखते हो, उस पे से बैच काटते हो हम लोग का, तो हमारा पैसा हमको दे दो ना। आप आगे का फॉलो आप करो ना। आप क्यों रुके इतना साल तक?
तो हमको आपको बैंक की तरफ से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी?
कुछ भी नहीं मिली है। हमारे मम्मी पापा भाग के हमारे घर पे आए कि चलो बैंक में ऐसा है, तभी हम लोग बिना चप्पल से दौड़ के इधर आए हैं। आज सुबह से इधर लाइन पे है, ना कोई मैनेजर ठीक से बताते है, ना कोई कुछ नहीं बताता है। हम क्या करेंगे अभी?
Try and speak with more customers. Ma'am, did you get any information about this from bank? Any official has?
No, I never got this any information. I got to know today morning only. I never got to know earlier about this. And my maximum it is here, and I was operating from here, and maximum my money is here, and I was living with this interest, with this bank. I live with my interest. I'm running my house. And my whole money is here stuck, and I never knew anything about it.
We are seeing many elder people are also here expecting to hear anything from the bank. Ma'am, what are you waiting for? Are you
come to empty my locker?
Did you get any information from any bank official?
Till yesterday evening also we didn't get. We had deposited yesterday only 1 lakh rupees.
So will you be able to get it now?
No idea. No,
we are seeing since morning many people are here at the gate of this bank, and the bank officials are only allowing people who had lockers in the bank. Only those people can take their things, the amount that they have kept in locker, they can take that back. But the bank has restricted to make any transactions in terms of loans.
Right, Richa, I'd have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you very much for joining us with Ground Zero Voices as well. Having said that, let's shift our focus to the big international